Hello everyone. So we have came up with some of the changes in our subcon module, which will help you in making subcon process more simpler. So let me show you exactly what are the changes and how you will be able to use the subcon process now. So first of all, we will go to our production module. Click on all modules, go to production. Now, what I will do, I will create one of the process. So I will go to all production process, and here I will just mention one item. Select the BOM. Now mention the quantity and process is completed. This is same as before. I will quickly just go ahead and publish this particular process. Now, please check. Once I publish this process, so there are two of my process. Fine. Now, I want to send this particular process for job work. How I can be able to do so? Select this particular process. Now, earlier you need to click on outsource and then you need to click create the service order from subcon segment. Now we have provided the create service order from here itself. You can very well go ahead and just unselect it as well, but it will be more easy to go ahead and create a service order directly from here. Click on outsource, convert and create SO. I will select the buyer name. Now please check the service order page is open. So what I will do, I will just mention polishing service. Delivery date is 25th. Go below. I will select one of my service, mention few of the details here, go below, and then after I will click on save and send. So please check. Just with one click, my service order is created. Now, after creating that, one more change which we have did, that is the related process. If I will click on this related process, please check. This will show me the production process number and in what stage it is. Same has been implemented in your sales and purchase module as well. That I will show it in the last. So now my service order is created. Now what I need to do, I need to go ahead and send the material, raw material through delivery challan. I will click on go to transaction, or I can directly create a challan from here. So click on create challan. Now once I will click, please check. Here is my challan. Now going below, you can see that raw material is coming automatically in the challan. Earlier, you used to get a mapping screen, but now directly raw material coming. If you want to make any changes in the same, here is the map manually option. You can click on the same, and then after you can go ahead and update the quantity and remaining details. Now click on proceed, go below. Here are the details. I will just turn it off. Mention the price, tax. No, please check. It is done. If you want to add any another details, you can very well go ahead and do the same. Save and send, and please check. My challan is created now. You can very well go ahead and generate e-way bill from here. Now, what is the next step? You need to take the inward. Click on go to transaction. Now here, create document, inward document. Again, while creating the invert, earlier you used to get a mapping screen where you needed to update each and everything. Now, the raw material will come automatically. Sorry, finished good in the invert will come automatically. That exactly what is the expected finished good. After that, you just need to click on save and send. If you want to update manually, you can very well go ahead and click on this map manually and can make the changes or take the raw material return to store as well. These functionalities you can do by clicking on the map manually option. Now, also one more thing here, the PID is provided. If you will click on the same, a new screen will get open with that particular production process. Now go below. Here I will click on proceed. Then after I will click on save and send. Once I click on save and send, please check my invert is created. So this feature have been provided so that you can quickly go ahead and create the document without going ahead and doing the mapping part. If required, you can very well go ahead and click on the map manually and can do that particular functionality. Coming next, how you can be able to create the GRN now. The process is same. Click on generate GRN, but the view page is different now. You will be directly coming to the GRN page. If you want to map manually in detail, you can very well go ahead and do the same from map manually option. Go below and click on save and send. So please check. This is how in just few time I created the entire subcon documents just with few of the clicks, and then after my GRN is completed, after that you can very well go ahead and create the invoice and can close that particular production process. I hope this particular feature will make your subcon process more simpler. One more thing which I was talking about, that related process. So in few of modules we have provided that related process. Where if I will click on go to transaction, so on SO it is provided, in transaction timeline also it is provided, related transaction. If I will click on this, here is the process detail provided. If it have been came to any OC like work order, then OC number will also come there. Also, same have been provided in the sales and purchase module. If I will go to the sales and purchase module, please check. Here is a column with related process. If I will click on this, it will show me that in which stage and what is the process number. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.